Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some exciting news to share with you all. The much anticipated Asus ROG Zephyrus 14 laptop, equipped with the powerful Ryzen 9 8945HS CPU and the mighty RTX 4070 GPU, is finally hitting the shelves of US stores. At CES 2024, Asus once again demonstrated its commitment to innovation and high-performance computing, with the unveiling of its latest additions to the renowned ROG Zephyrus series. Designed to strike a delicate balance between gaming prowess and portability, the new Zephyrus G14 and G16 laptops generated significant buzz among tech enthusiasts and gamers alike. While the G16 made its debut in Europe earlier, the eagerly awaited G14 model has now landed in the US market, available through Amazon. The 2024 Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 stands out as a powerhouse, driven by the formidable Ryzen 9 8945HS processor. Boasting 8 cores and 16 threads, this processor ensures seamless multitasking and rapid processing speeds, catering to the demands of modern gaming and productivity tasks. Graphics prowess is delivered through a range of Nvidia RTX GPUs, from the RTX 4050 to the RTX 4070, promising immersive gaming experiences with stunning visuals. A standout feature of the G14 model is its 14-inch OLED display, a significant upgrade that elevates both gaming and creative endeavors. With a crisp 3K resolution, 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, users can expect nothing short of visual excellence, whether they're gaming or engaging in professional content creation. Meanwhile, the 2024 Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 impresses with its enhanced audio capabilities, boasting a sophisticated 6-speaker setup comprising 2 tweeters and 4 woofers. This configuration promises a rich, immersive soundstage, elevating the auditory experience for gamers and multimedia enthusiasts alike. It's worth noting that the G16 model features RAM soldered onto the motherboard, ensuring efficient performance, while sacrificing some degree of upgradability. Connectivity options abound in the Zephyrus G14 2024, catering to the diverse needs of modern users. With a range of ports including USB 4, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, HDMI 2.1, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a microSD card reader, users can effortlessly connect their peripherals and accessories. Moreover, support for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 ensures seamless wireless connectivity, further enhancing the laptop's versatility and convenience. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Zephyrus G14 2024 maintains a svelte profile, measuring just 312 by 220 by 16 mm, and weighing a mere 1.5 kilograms or 3.3 pounds. This compact form factor belies its power, housing a robust 73Wh battery that ensures long-lasting performance, whether you're gaming on the go or tackling intensive tasks away from a power source. Priced at $1,599 for the RTX 4060 model and $1,999 for the RTX 4070 model, these laptops offer exceptional value for their performance capabilities. With the RTX 4060, gamers can enjoy smooth immersive gameplay, thanks to its powerful graphics processing unit. Meanwhile, the RTX 4070 takes things a step further, delivering even greater graphical fidelity and performance, ensuring that users can tackle the latest titles with ease. In summary, Asus continues to push the boundaries of gaming laptops with its latest offerings in the ROG Zephyrus series. The 2024 Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 and G16 combine cutting-edge hardware with sleek appearance and portable form factors, catering to the needs of gamers, creators, and professionals alike, setting a new standard for performance and versatility in the gaming laptop market. To all of you who have been with us, day in and day out, supporting and watching our videos, we want to extend our heartfelt gratitude. Your dedication and support mean the world to us, and we truly appreciate every view, like, comment, and share. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Until then, take care, have a nice day, and may God bless you abundantly.